How to fix PowerPoint file? Let's suppose if you open it, it asks for repair, but when we click on it, nothing will happen. Well, let's simply fix it. It's very easy. Just right click on it, go to the properties, click on unblock, apply, okay. That's all. Now if you open it, it is successfully opened. Thank you, and yes, don't forget to subscribe.